Well, I'm on the horse here. There he is. I'm on there, so we'll see. He's there. There he is. There's my shadow man there. So we're going to be going pretty soon, so I better turn this off. Well, I'm still on the horse here. As you can see, he's down here. I'm still here. There's people in back of me. And we stopped here for a little bit. There's the border wall right up there. You can see it all along there. It goes all the way up there. And it goes all the way over there. This is my horse, Champ. Champ, say hello to the camera, my friend. There you go. Yes, indeed. So we're on here on the horse. When you go into the wind, I'm glad I have all the layers on. But when you go in a section of trail without the wind and there's no wind, I feel warm. So I got two hats on, and just in case here. But all is working out good. Got a good horse, and everything is good here. So good to go. All right, am one man travel. Need little subscriptions would help. All right, see you later. Bye bye. This is one of our wranglers over there. She's saying hi to us. She's doing an excellent job of keeping us safe here, keeping us on the horse, not on the ground. I better put this away. To the wall here. We're going to go up and touch it here in a second here. So we're here at the wall. There it is. I can't get my horse close enough to touch it, but I'm with arm's reach of it here, which is pretty doggone close, I might add. So there it is here, and folks in back of me are all down here. They're all looking at the wall too, and there's people in back of me there. So we're here. I got right here. Okay, it's still here. Still on the horse here. Haven't fallen off yet. Everything's good. Got my trusty steed here. Trying to steer him close to the wall, but I think this is as close as he wants to get. Oh, whoa. Okay, hold up. Oh. All right. The horse wants to go here, so I gotta put this away. All right, that's as close to the wall as I got here with old Champ. I actually touched it. And these are solid, they're diamond shaped. They're the same shape on the other side, but they're solid, they're not hollow. So they're in there good. And it goes up top, and you can't see the other side. They have like these flat plates on it. And there it goes up there. And there's a fellow photographer over there. It's Ted. He's taking us. He's doing an excellent job too, by the way. And this is Ed, saying hello to my friends out there in Wisconsin. Yes, okay. There you go. We got a bunch of friends here. New friends, of course, here. So there's the back of the wall up there. Got two hats on, doing double duty here with the head. So always a good thing to do here. Okay. We're on the trail. We had a little stop, but you can see the mountain range. We just came back from the wall. And pretty clear. There's some clouds, breezy here. I don't have the sponge thing over top here, so it's going to be a little hard to hear me here, so I got to talk loud. But come back here, and there we are. We're on there, and people in back of me are back there, up top there. There they are. Yeah, we're still on the horse here.